Pat McGrath Mothership 11 Sunlit Seduction. If you are a dark-skinned girly who loves glam looks, neutral looks, and are looking for your first Pat McGrath eyeshadow palette, this I would recommend for you. I have a decent Pat McGrath eyeshadow collection. I have the Utopian Dream, I have Divine Rose 2, I have Petalmorphosis. I love all of them, but I was shocked at how this performed. I watched YouTube videos. YouTubers did not like this palette for some reason. Maybe they thought it was too pink, they thought it was patchy for a lot of the videos that I watched. So I wasn't too keen to purchase this, but Macy's had this for 50% off and I was like, what do I have to lose? Let me try this palette. I wasn't expecting anything really from this palette, but I was shook. I'm like, if you're a dark skinned girl, this is your first Pat McGrath palette. If you want that one and done eyeshadow palette, this is what I would recommend for you.
Alright, let's go into the eyeshadow tutorial. We are going to be using that brown transition shade and my Refer 15 brush to blend into my crease area. Swish, swash, swish, swash, swish, swash, swish, swash. And then we're going into that dark brown deepening shade for the outer V area. Focus on that outer V area. And then we're going into the brown shimmery shade. I like this palette. I like to use my fingers for shimmer shades. And then we're going into that purpley special shade just to sort of put it over the lid. It adds a little bit more of a pop. And the bright shimmer shade for the inner tear duct. And eyeliner, because your eyes need to be put together. And after the eyeliner, mascara, and we're going in with my House of Lashes lash glue because I love that lash glue. And then we're going in with my favorite lashes from AliExpress, I believe.
If you like neutral looks, this 4 colors right here is your neutral quad. You have some pretty pigmented shimmers here. And 2 mattes, one pink leaning, one brown leaning, that you can use as transition shades. And these shades, I just needed to dip into my palette once. I didn't need to keep dipping and dipping like I did with Natasha Denona. These mattes are pigmented. If you need a deepening shade, this is a really nice shade to deepen your eyeshadow look. Really nice, really nice deepening shade. And this shade is definitely a good inner tear duct highlight shade. Very nice, very pigmented. The special shades. Oh, this is a pretty pink. This is a pretty purpley pink. This, oh, so pretty. Oh, look at that glitter. And then this burgundy. Oh, she is beautiful. This is a lovely holiday palette. There are definitely other palettes within the Pat McGrath Mothership line that are gorgeous. But if you want a first palette, this one right here. I would not recommend Divine Rose 1 for a dark skinned girly, but I would definitely recommend this.